Good morning YouTubers, and welcome back to the David Swordplay channel. Now today we're going to be fitting a set of Denali Auxiliary light mounting brackets on the 2017 Africa Twin. Now the reason why I'm doing this is I've just recently taken off my top crash bars because the bike is due for its 16,000 mile valve service, and I quite like the look of it without the top crash bars on it, so I needed somewhere to mount my new spotlights. So we're going with the Denali mounting bracket. So hopefully you'll find this video informative. I would just say straight out of the gate, if you're not happy doing mechanical processes such as tightening, undoing bolts, then I'd recommend you get a qualified mechanic or repair shop to do the work for you. Okay, so let's crack on, and if you like this video and you feel like subscribing to the channel, we'd love to have you along. So let's crack on and look at what we need to do and where we need to fit these brackets. Apologise for the poor lighting. Unfortunately I have no electricity in my man cave, and really I've just got a kind of a little spotlight, so if the video quality is not as good as it should be, I do apologise, but I hope you'll bear with me. Okay, so here's the kit laid out. We have the two brackets here. This bolt goes through the front fairing hole on the headstock. These two bolts will screw directly into the headlight at the bottom, which I'll show you in a moment. And these are the tools that the company suggested that we have. So we've got 8mm spanner, 10, 12, 13. We've got a 3/8 drive socket with a 12mm on it, and a 1/4 drive socket with a 12mm and an 8mm. They also recommend you put Loctite on the threads, which we will do. So let's go over to the bike and have a look at what we need to take off and how difficult it is to see. So we have a comprehensive set of instructions. Step 1, step 2, step 3, quite easy to understand, as you can see. So the first step is to take out the front fairing mounting top bolt, which we're going to do, and then take the two headlight mounting bolts out and replace them with the new ones from Denali. Okay, let's crack on with that. Okay, so trying to get in position on the bike, we have to take a bolt that's located, very difficult to see, I'll try and point to it here. If you can see where my screwdriver is, look down there, and the bolt is just here. You see my screwdriver there, it's in this area, and there. Got my screwdriver on it, very difficult to see. We need to take that bolt out, and then we need to take out these two headlight mounts here, if you can see it there, and one on the other side. So let's crack on and do that, and we'll get back to you in a minute. You can see the bracket now. I'm going to mount it here. As you can see, it follows the contours of the bodywork. I can move it about a bit, and we'll put the bolts in now and then show you what it looks like when we've mounted it. Well, I hope you can see the bracket in place now, and we're just going to tighten up. There's some difficulty trying to film this one-handed, so I'll just do a few threads. We're just going to tighten up that bolt there. Okay, we've got all the brackets mounted and the bolts through. As you can see, that little spacer was quite tricky to get in. If you're going to do this on your own, I suggest a lot of patience. If not, get a friend who can give you a hand. You just need to tidy up all the wiring. Same on the other side, and not mind, you can see it there. The brackets, very difficult to manoeuvre. To get you a shot of the bracket. If we come round the front, you can see the end result. There's the two spotlights mounted. It's quite neat installation. Oh, I can get a shot from underneath for you. Let's see. Maybe that's a better way of showing you the brackets coming out. I don't know, it's very difficult. But anyway, there they are, mounted. Bit of a pain, I have to say, but we've managed to do it. We just need to tidy up the wiring now, as you can see. But I'll just flick the lights on for you. These spotlights have a halo ring, which I quite like. As you can see, that's the halo ring. And then we have the Honda mounted spotlight switch, which you can see here. When I push that on, spotlight warning light comes on, and we now have the two main spotlights on. Job done, just need to wrap up the wiring. Thank you for watching. I'll put the links to the company where I bought the Denali Auxiliary light mount from. It's Rugged Roads. I've dealt with them before, very good company. I'm not getting paid for any of this, by the way. I've paid for all my own stuff, so I can give you an honest opinion. Thanks for watching the channel, and I hope you enjoyed that little install video, but I'll give you a shot of the instructions so that you can actually see where you have to mount it. So thanks for watching. I hope you like this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.